Consider the greatness of water. The same amount on Earth for billions of years. Never more, never less. Always changing, refreshing, soothing, providing. And in only one place, right here, the world's largest freshwater estuary. It's where a grand river joins Green Bay and greets a great lake, providing a place to work, to enjoy, to protect, and to preserve. Now is our opportunity to embrace our Great Bay as a community classroom, a center for research, a national reserve, for all the ways that water touches our lives, our recreation, our peace, our lifeline. Let's join as one to keep it that way.